I think for us, one of the probably the biggest cases for value was with one of our retail customers. Is we came in, and this approach that we take where we sort of do a bit of strategic value planning around understanding where the VGIs are coming from and we need to spend some money. And this is going to be this is a very simple example where for them repeatability and reuse is really a big thing, for them within the organization, right? So they're very cost sensitive. So one of the things is how do we improve operational efficiency. So what does that look like? So it's not just about the pure cost, but just doing things better for the sake of doing it. And and as part of that VGI process, the key thing that came up was to say, but they're missing one single role in the entire data landscape. There was one role missing, and that's a data modeler. And because they didn't have a data modeler, everything that they have to build, they have to rebuild every single time. And that constitutes increased cost, increased effort, all those type of things. And for them, they saw a 30 to 40% improvement once they start bringing in that resource. And this was a fairly big one for them, in that essence.